Modena in Emilia-Romagna, Italy, has an artistic heritage of great value in its historic center.
But just 30 minutes by car from the center, you can find scenic landscapes. Today we will visit two of these.
Salse di Nirano, the celebrated mud cones that are among the most well preserved in Europe, and the vinegar factory.
You know, Modena is famous for its vinegar, and places where vinegar is produced are something magic.
Salse di Nirano are eruptions of cold mud, produced by rising seawater mixed with methane. They are similar to volcanoes, but a completely different origin, since they are not connected to the magma and are completely cold.
Camontanari Farms lies among the gentle hills of Levizzano Rangone, one of the most evocative glimpses of the Modena area.
Here you can admire Trebbiano di Modena vines, whose grapes are necessary for the production of a traditional balsamic vinegar.
Don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel.